Welcome to your computer science class. Today we will study lesson number 4, Graphics in Word 2010. So children, before we study forward with today's topic, let us have a look at the topics we have completed from this lesson. So children, we have studied about shapes, then we have also studied about inserting word art. So these are the two topics we have completed from lesson number 4. So now let us move ahead with today's topic. Children, today we will study about inserting pictures and inserting symbols. So these are the two topics we will study today. So let us proceed with the first topic, that is inserting pictures. So let us come here and learn how to insert pictures. The first topic is inserting pictures. Inserting pictures. So children, there are basically two methods of inserting pictures. The first method is to insert pictures of your own, that is which you have saved in your files or folders or documents. Okay, so how we will do that? Go to the insert tab. Clear? From the insert tab, come to the illustrations group and click on the pictures option. Click here. You will get a window of this type. From this window, you will get the pictures or which you have saved in your file or folder or your documents. Clear? So now suppose this picture I am selecting. Clear? After selecting this picture, click on the insert option given at the bottom of the window. Right? Now you will see the picture is inserted in your document. This double-headed arrow is used to increase or decrease the size of the picture. You can also increase the size of the picture from the size group given on the format tab. Children, all the changes in the pictures are made from the format group. You can see here format tab is given here. You can give a proper size or shape to your picture, right? Like see here, this shape. Then you can also make it give it a shape of this kind. Then you can move the picture, the complete picture to the place where you want. Okay. This way you can drag from the dragging handle. So the picture is now inserted over here. You can see this is our picture. Now let us come to second method. You can see here the cursor is blinking over here. Now the second method is move to the insert tab. Click on the clip art option in the illustrations group. I'll click here in the clip art. See here. The clip art gallery is opened. Children, what is clip art gallery? Clip art gallery is a collection of pictures, pre-designed pictures. Okay. Now suppose if I want to insert here computer. So in the search for box, I will write here computer. Okay. I'll write here computer and then click on the go option. Okay. Then you can see here various pictures are mentioned here in the drop down menu of the clip art gallery. Now click on the picture which you want to select and insert in your document. Then you will get a drop down menu. Click on the insert option in the drop down menu. You will get the picture inserted in your document. Okay. You can drag it and place it to the place where you want. Okay. Now suppose if you want to insert a flower. So I will write here flower in the search box. Okay. Then I'll click on the go option. So select the picture, click on insert. You will see here the picture is inserted in your document. So children, this way we can insert the pictures in our document from the files or folders or our clip art gallery. This way. Okay. Now let us understand how to insert symbols. Suppose here I'm writing 5. I've written here 5. Now I want to insert the symbol of multiplication. What I will do is I will move to the insert tab. From the insert tab, in the text group, there is a symbol option. Okay. Now see here, the symbol of plus is given, the symbol of multiplication is asterisk. Okay. So I will put the symbol of, suppose if I want to put the symbol of asterisk. Okay. And click on the insert option and close the window. Right. Now see here. This is the symbol of multiplication in computers. Okay. Then I'll press the 5 number key. Okay. Children, this symbol is known as the asterisk symbol. Clear? Then write here 25. Right? Now, then suppose if I want to add some number. Suppose if I want to add 5 plus 5. So I'll go to the symbol option. Then I'll press the select the plus option from here, symbol from here, and click on the insert button and close the window. You can see here the symbol is inserted on the screen. Then I'll write here 5 is equal to 10. So children, this way we learned how to insert the symbols of addition and multiplication. The same way we can insert the symbols of subtraction and division also. And there are many other symbols, like see here, you can insert the symbol of this one and close the window, this one. Like suppose if I'm writing here y. Okay, this is specially used for the formulas. Okay, and insert the symbol of this side. Then insert and close the window. So children, today we studied how to insert the symbol. This symbol is known as curly braces. What is the symbol known as? This symbol is known as curly braces. Okay, so whenever we do addition or subtraction or multiplication, and if we want to specially put them into the brackets, so we use the curly braces, right? So children, today we studied about inserting pictures, and this was about inserting symbols, correct? Let me write here, inserting symbols. This is about inserting symbols. Clear? There are many symbols you can see here. Click on the symbol option and there are various symbols given here which you can insert. Like see, this is the symbol of percentage. You can insert from here and close the window. So children, this is about inserting the symbols from the symbol option given in the text group. So children, see you all in the next video. Go through the lesson, go through the video. Thank you.